Hello and welcome to Nested Labs' new tutorial for our free image converter and compressor online tools on freeapptools.co. Need to shrink your images without losing quality? Let's look at the ultimate all-in-one tool. Just drag and drop your files or click to upload, up to 10 at a time. It supports JPEG, PNG, and the modern WEBP format. Select multiple images with having the same format or different image formats. Our tool can manage all. Want more control? Use the compression slider to find that perfect balance between file size and crystal clear quality. Adjust compression level for each image as it fits your requirements, making this tool ideal for website creators. Small file size, the faster your website loads. We recommend users keep the lossless compression option checked to preserve the image quality. Check out the advanced settings to strip EXIF metadata. It's a great way to save extra space and protect your privacy. Once you have the right setting, hit the Convert All button. Conversion time can vary depending on the uploaded image file size. Once your files are ready to download, you can choose to download them individually or in bulk as a zip file. Let's download it as a zip for this tutorial. Navigate to your download location and unzip your newly compressed and converted images. Now you can save space on your hard disk or saving on data cost for your productions applications. Fast, free, and secure. Try the image converter and compressor online today.